Hi, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzzology, and in this video I'm gonna show you the exact export setting you need to get the sharp, crispy image on Instagram. So let's get started. Whether you are using Photoshop or Lightroom for editing, the process remains same. I'll show you both. Okay, at first I'll show you in the Lightroom. So after editing, you need to select the aspect ratio. Okay, so I'll suggest you to use the aspect ratio of 4:5 because it goes really good with the Instagram feed. Okay, now just crop your photo. That's done. Okay, then after the editing and cropping, go to the file and select the export here. Okay, this is the export location. You can set where you want to export. That's totally depends on you, and also you can change the name of the file. Now come to the image format, that is JPEG. It is recommended by the Instagram, and then quality 100% and color space sRGB. Now come into the most important part, image sizing. Select here resize to fit and select here width and height. Okay, the recommended width for any kind of image for Instagram is 1080 pixels. Okay, so go for it, 1080, and leave the height blank. Select your pixels and resolution, leave it. Okay, uncheck the don't enlarge option, and now here select the sharpen for and select screen. Okay, and amount, select the height, and then you can use watermark or something else, but this is the basic setting. This is the exact setting you need to do to export photos for Instagram. Now just click on the export, and okay, I already exported. So okay, now let's see how to export it on Photoshop. Okay, so after the editing, go to the crop option and select here ratio 4:5. Okay, now okay, I'm going with this, and now go to the file and select export as. File format JPG, quality all the way up, and then width 1080 pixel. That's it. And here select the preserve detail option. Okay, then that's it. And now just click on the export and it's done. So it's time to say goodbye to compression. So if you love this video, if you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.